Do you want to seem smart, knowledgeable, and appear to know what you're doing? Knowing where to find the marketing applications and programs is half the battle.
So time is money in this position. You want to do things that get you the biggest bang for your buck. So national programs, that is one way to do it, where you can either opt in or opt out, and that saves you time because you're not managing a large contract. NGB is the one that manages it for you, and it usually comes at a lower cost than if you were to purchase it on your own. The cool thing about the national programs is you do get to choose which ones you use. Some of them go on without you having to do anything. National Guard Bureau takes care of it start to finish, and the only thing you know about it is you get the leads from it. And then other ones you actually get to choose whether or not you're going to put your money into them. Fairs, county fairs. A lot of the time county fairs don't produce a really good return on investment. You know, we'll spend thousands of dollars on a fair and get maybe 1 or 2 leads that never end up enlisting. So I've really pushed my recruiters to go more towards the social media route and have a better online presence. That has produced more leads for us, especially Instagram. So that was a hard change because a lot of them hadn't used Instagram before. And now they're all finding out that it is the way to go, and it's fairly easy. You can set it up and have it do its own thing, and all you're doing is capturing lead data from it.
In this module, you're going to learn how to gain access to and utilize these marketing programs and applications.
One of the downfalls to national programs is that they do change year to year, depending on what the needs are of the states. So it is up to you as the marketing NCO to decide which ones to use and to keep on top of what's new and upcoming. The other good thing is you can talk to the MAC or your RAC chair and offer suggestions for new national programs to be reinstated.
Once you learn the location and content for this information, you are going to appear to be the smartest marketing NCO in your battalion.